Gent S Quad.
Whoa.
Going out to the S Cubed Sounders in the hall.
What? Oh my god. Do you know why it's funny? Because do you know how I keep my own servers on my garage and everything? Yeah. I've installed a Parallel system like this and it sounds exactly the same. I have to test it every Tuesday, yeah. That's totally unplanned.
Oh, and everybody's working so hard as
Oh,
well.
I was concentrating there.
I know.
I was in the middle of a question.